How to add blur effect on Canva. First of all, open your web browser and then search for canva.com. Once you search for it, you will get to the homepage of Canva and make sure you log into your account. Once you have done that, you can just create a new design here and then upload a video from here. I've uploaded a video right here, so once your video is uploaded, let's see how you can add the blur effect. At the top left, you can see there is this elements option right here. You're just going to search for blur on the search bar and then go to graphics. And if you scroll down, you can find the free versions of blur effect like these ones. These icons that says pro are the pro version, so you need to pay for these. So let's say if I just want to blur this black cloud at the top right corner of the video, I'm just going to select a blur effect right here, and then I can just drag it to the place that I want to blur right here like this. And now if I play the video, as you can see, the black cloud is somewhat hidden right now, or let's say it's behind the blur. And if you want to blur in the specific timing of your video, what you can do is right click on your blur effect, and you can see there is this option that says show timing. So you can adjust your timing like this. Let's say if I just want to blur these 3 seconds, last 3 seconds. So if I just play the video from the start, as you can see, the blur will only take place after in the last 3 seconds. So that's how you can insert your timing of your blur on your videos as well. And that is how you can easily set a blur effect on Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.